Welcome back, everyone. You may be having an issue with your TikTok account where for some reason you just have a bunch of drafts that are missing. So maybe you went ahead and actually had a bunch of drafts on TikTok, but randomly they just went missing. Now, a reason why this may be happening, it may not be the main reason, but a main reason why this may be happening is because your specific TikTok account for drafts may randomly have an issue and maybe you accidentally deleted them. So you want to go ahead and go through here and you want to see if they're there. If they're not, the first thing I would recommend doing is actually making your way over to your app store, just like so, and you want to update your TikTok application. So you want to go ahead and type in TikTok just like this. You want to go and type in TikTok, and you want to see if there's an update available. So you can see for me, I do have an update. So what does this mean? Well, essentially, all I have to do is go and click the update panel, and it's going to allow me to update my TikTok application. And this is exactly what you want to have happen. You want to update your TikTok app, and that will pretty much fix it for you. Now, for some reason you do that and your drafts are still missing, another reason why this may be happening is if TikTok themselves have an issue. So what does that mean? Well, TikTok, the application, can actually randomly have an issue where TikTok is randomly down. So their servers are not on. If that ends up happening, a lot of different, things within your phone can actually go wrong, specifically for TikTok. Not everything from your phone, but everything related to TikTok can have some issues. So that means missing videos, missing comments, missing likes, missing favorite videos, all sorts of different things. So when you have a thing like this, that is probably the best thing you can do is to go ahead and pretty much just wait it out, see if the comments of this video are stating that TikTok is down, if anybody else is stating TikTok is down. You want to go ahead and just kind of wait it out and see what happens there. Now, if drafts are still missing, the next thing I'd recommend doing is deleting the TikTok application, going back into it and seeing if they're there. If they're still not there, you may want to go ahead and double check your Photos app. So you may want to scroll through your Photos app and just make sure that there's not, some random, gallery, photo thing here or drafts here. Because if they are, then you can just repost them that way too. So just in case they deleted from drafts, you may still be able to see them there as well. So those are a few different ways to fix it. If you have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.